Don't forget, I'm a freaking genius. I went from being an idiot truck driver to a millionaire. You know, making money on demand with a laptop from anywhere in the world. This is a huge brain. See this bald head? You know why it's bald? Hair cannot grow on this head because the brain has so many genius thoughts that it creates a thermodynamic shield on the inside that burns the hair follicles from the inside out. Nothing will grow on top of this head because of the genius brain that's inside of it. So you gotta listen to me when I tell you something, and what I'm about to give you for free is totally freaking genius, and it could put you on the path to huge success. Listen to me. Enough of that noise. It's me, Kinghuman. Here we go. Old-fashioned, old-school Kinghuman video with me sitting in front of my computer yelling at you idiots, you monkeys with car keys, because you're driving me freaking crazy. Freaking idiots. Okay, I'll get into that later. Right now, I want to talk about this here. Now, what's doing, Kinghuman, you bald-headed, fat, fugly idiot? Oh yeah, and I cut off my nanny goat thing. What's doing here is there. I don't even know how to talk about this without sounding hypey, because I don't want to sound hypey. I hate that shit. But it's kind of warranted in this instance. Let me get real here and calm myself down and stop being so stupid. Okay, what you're looking at there is a bridge page that I made for an income opportunity. Now, what is the income opportunity? The income opportunity is about making $1,000 a month recurring income. Now, the cool thing is, this has been set up for you to be stupid simple. It's step-by-step easy. The other thing that's really cool about this, without trying to sound hypey, is zero risk and zero money to get in. In other words, you can get in, you know, if you go to this page, and I'll put the link to it down there. You know, I don't have a whiz-bang link I can tell you to go to. There's an ugly link down there. Go check it out. Click on it, whatever. And you will see, you know, just go through the process. You'll see. It won't cost you a penny up front. And you can get inside and look and see if it's for you or if it's not for you. I personally, I always tell people, you know, I find things that work. Now, I know this works because it works for me. It pays me much more than $1,000 a month recurring income, and I do zero freaking work to get that money. So I know this works. So I don't want to hear from imbeciles and idiots say, oh, that doesn't work, it doesn't work. It does work, freaking idiot. I proved it many times. I can, oh no, okay. I'm getting sucked into the idiot vortex because I'm so upset with some stupid shit that people have said. Anyway, go follow that link. I want you to do two things when you go to that link. First thing I want you to do is look at that page and try and understand the science. There's a lot of science in the design of that page and what's going on with that. That is such a killer thing. You know, this is one of the things that I do to make big money online. I make these bridge pages and I drive traffic to a bridge page like that. If you can learn how to make a bridge page like this that converts at 90, oh God, what is my rate? I don't even remember what my rate is. My conversion rate on this is huge. If you can do what I do, you can make money. These are little income robots that I make and I put on the internet and they work for me 24/7. It's like having an army of employees. You know about that. You're probably an employee. You probably work for a boss. You know, when that boss goes out to work... Shit. Hang on. My throat. I have a problem with my throat. The vibration gets me. So when your boss goes out to lunch or he goes golfing, he's making money. He's still making money. Why? He's got you doing it for him. Well, that's what these are. These are my little employees. But my employees don't ask for a raise. They don't ask for lunch breaks. They don't go on strike. They don't bug me. Anyway, that's kind of a digression. It's a different business. I'll teach you that business later. First, go here. Go to this page. Here we go again. Crap. I'm dying to death. Man, my throat. It's gotten really bad. Man, I have to go to a doctor and find out. I know what it is. I know what's going on in there. It's not good. Anyway, I want you to go below this video, follow that link to this page, and go through the process, and you'll see how to get that $1,000 a month recurring income. It's so stupid simple, the steps, step by step. Here's the thing, if you put aside 15 minutes a day, maybe not even that much, 15 minutes, I'll call it 15 minutes a day, for 30 days, I cannot see how you will not make $1,000 a month in recurring income with this system. If you just dedicate yourself, put yourself, and it's not hard. Now, again, I want to say, it doesn't work for everybody. You know, there are a bunch of idiots out, oh, come on. There are a bunch of idiots out there that can't do one simple thing. As evidenced by my last video. I put up a video last week where I talked about a real estate investment trust where, you know, you could invest money in it and you get paid 11.5% annually and all this stuff. And I mentioned the real estate investment trust, fundrise.com. I even had it in big green letters in the first minute of the video. And immediately I got an idiot. What is it? What's the name of the place? You didn't tell us where to go. I mentioned it like 50 freaking times in the video. This is how stupid people have become. And then another guy, because I put a link in the description, another guy said, I can't get there because the link doesn't, I can't click on the link. It's not clickable. Seriously? You can't type in Fundrise in a browser bar. You can't type it in Google. That's how stupid we've become as a society. This is what depresses me. I get so freaking depressed when I see shit like that. It makes me wonder. I need to go back to my home planet. I cannot take it here anymore. You humans drive me absolutely insane. How do I do it? I don't know. Holy shit. Shit on a cracker. Me in the heart. How do I type something into Google? I don't know. I'm a moron. Fucking idiots. But anyway, this is stupid simple. I think anybody could do it if you put in 15 minutes a day. And just do what it tells you to do. Now, you know, you don't have to. I don't give a shit whether you do it or you don't do it. It doesn't change my lifestyle any. But, you know, I'm trying to help a few people out here that need some help. So that's what's doing here. I'm happy because I'm going off on an airplane trip. I'm going to Vegas, my stomping grounds. So I'm going to be happy. I got new things to try out there. I'm going to see all my buddies. And you know what? You don't give 1/5 of a half-eaten shit. So why do I care? Why am I telling you? All right, you imbeciles and idiots. Go click that link down there. Check out this page. Now, oh, the other thing, before I forget, there's a hidden page I made. Oh, I made a little hidden thing in there. See if you can find it. It's an additional instruction on how to make money doing, you know, the other thing. You're getting a twofer here. Start out with this. Start out with this $1,000 a month opportunity. Zero cost. Zero risk. give it a shot. Start with that. And then in my website, thekinghumanelite.com, in the money pages, this month and next month, I'm going to get into the science of making these income robots and putting them out on the internet so they generate you money. But you need something behind that. And, you know, this $1,000 a month recurring income thing, that would be a good thing to plug into what I'm going to teach you in the Kinghuman Elite. Okay, enough of me. Nothing's making sense. I'm losing my mind. I'm just happy to be going to Las Vegas again. I've been sitting here in Santa Cruz too freaking long. And you freaking idiots drive me crazy with your idiotic freaking comments. How do I search on Google? Look, it's not my job to give you the minutia of every little freaking procedure. My job is to assume you know how to do simple fucking tasks. Like use Google. You know, don't make me say shit like, take your right hand, put it on the mouse. Then you take this finger and you move your mouse around. While you move your mouse around, once you get that little arrow onto what needs to be clicked, you take this finger and you push it down on the mouse. Don't make me go into that kind of minutia. I will go fucking insane. I'm going insane now just thinking about it. You fucking idiots. Drive me up a fucking wall with your idiot comments. Idiot comments. It's so depressing to me that it makes me angry. It's so depressing to think how stupid people have become. So, I just got an idea. I'm going to turn off commenting on this video because I'm going to be on vacation. And when I put up a video, a bunch of comments come in over my iPhone. You know, the notices come in. I should probably turn that off. But instead, I'm going to turn it off in this video. I'm just going to turn off commenting and see if I have a peaceful fucking vacation instead of having a fucking thrombo every 5 fucking minutes because somebody said something stupid. All right. I'm happy again. All right. Donate a few bucks to St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. I'm out of here. Go away. Drive me mental. I can't take it.